This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making stir fry 5-spice chicken. I have here 500 grams of boneless chicken thighs. But you can also use chicken breast or any other parts of the chicken you prefer. Cut it up into bite-sized pieces. Now, to marinate the chicken, add in 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of oil. Mix this well and set it aside. For the aromatics, finely chopped up 1 clove of garlic, and 3 slices of ginger. Now, separate the white and green parts of a spring onion. Smash the white part to help it release its flavor. And cut up the green parts into 3 inches in length. In a pan over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in the chicken. Now spread the chicken out in one layer at the bottom of the pan. Leave the chicken alone and let it cook till it easily releases from the pan. This should take about 1.5 to 2 minutes. After 1.5 to 2 minutes, flip the chicken over and fry the other side. If you are using a non-stick pan, fry the chicken pieces till it's golden brown before turning them over. When the other side is also golden brown and the chicken is cooked through, push the chicken to the side of the pan. Add a little more oil if necessary and fry the aromatics. That's the garlic, ginger, and the white parts of the spring onions. Fry this for about 30 seconds till it's fragrant. Stir fry the aromatics with the chicken. Now, add in 1 tablespoon of honey, quarter teaspoon of white pepper, and 50 ml of water. Fry this till most of the liquid has been absorbed and the sauce has thickened. Turn off the heat. Now, finish the dish off with a splash of sesame oil and the green parts of the spring onion. This is stir fry 5 spice chicken.